the retirement account most people underuse by hundreds of thousands of dollars. The IRA is the most widely available retirement account in America and the most consistently underused. Here's what the data actually shows. The average IRA balance by age tells a story of missed compounding. For Americans in their 40s, the average is around $130,000. In their 50s, around $230,000. In their 60s, around $275,000. Those numbers sound okay until you realize the target for comfortable retirement is closer to 8 to 10 times your salary. And most people are using the IRA as a backup account rather than a primary savings vehicle. Here's what high performers do differently. They max the IRA every single year, $7,000 in 2026, $8,000 if you're 50 or older. And they do it on January 1st, not April 14th. That one habit, front-loading contributions at the start of the year instead of the deadline, adds thousands of dollars in extra growth over a career because the money has more time to compound. The Roth IRA is especially underused. If your income is below $150,000 single or $236,000 married, you can contribute directly. Tax-free growth for decades and no required minimum distributions makes it one of the most flexible assets in retirement. The full IRA guide, traditional versus Roth, income limits, backdoor strategies, and how to calculate your target balance by age, is free at Plootus.com. Link in the bio.